Hey guys, it's Zoe and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this bronzy cut crease golden look. This eyeshadow look is super simple and super easy, and it's great for beginners who are just learning how to do cut creases. I did a half cut crease for today's eye look, so it's not full on cut crease. And it's really pretty, really simple, and I'm sure you guys will love it. If you guys want to learn how to get this bronzy gold smoky eye look that's perfect for a night out, just keep on watching. So just to save a couple steps, I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes off camera, so we can just jump right into this cut crease. I'm going to be taking the eyeshadow Innocent, and I'm going to be taking that all over the crease. I'm going to be slowly building up this color in my crease since it's a pretty light brown transition shade. I really want to airbrush this out and blend it as much as possible. We do not want any harsh lines whatsoever. Next, I'm going to be taking the eyeshadow Whimsy, taking a smaller crease brush, and I'm going to be putting it into my crease, just deepening out the color. This color is pretty pigmented, so a little does go a long way. I'm going to take the fluffy crease brush that I used earlier, the shade Innocent once again, and blending out that harsh line we have currently on my crease. Okay, so I deepened up the crease as much as I can, and it looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. Blending seals are there. I'm going to be taking that same eyeshadow Whimsy once again. I'll be putting it on the outer corners of my eyelids just to deepen it up and give it some color. I'm just going to be packing it on ever so lightly. I'm not trying to pack on too much because the color is, like I said, pretty pigmented, so a little does go a long way. So I'm going to be bringing it in just a little bit into the center of my eyelid. Everything is all blended so far. I'm going to take a darker color and I'm going to put it on the outermost of my outer corner just to deepen it up a little bit more. I'm going to be taking the eyeshadow Edgy. I'm going to be packing it on the outermost corner of my eyelids. I'm going to be taking it up to the crease as well, blending it in with the eyeshadow Whimsy. I'm going to be taking the same crease brush as I was using earlier. I'm going to be dipping back into Innocent and blending everything together. So I took a few minutes to blend everything out on the eyelids, and now it is time for concealer. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm using a Morphe flat top brush to cut out my crease. My first half cut crease is pretty much done. I'm going to be doing my other eye off camera. So I just finished putting on the other cut crease. Now it's time for shimmer. I'm going to be taking a flat round brush by Morphe, and I'm going to be taking eyeshadow Ethereal. It's a gold eyeshadow. I'm going to be spraying my brush with some setting spray, and then dipping into Ethereal and packing it on to where the concealer is. I did not set the concealer because Tarte Shape Tape Concealer sets pretty much by itself, so I don't really have to worry about putting an extra layer of setting. I'm going to be taking the same small crease brush that I used earlier for the eyeshadow Whimsy, and I'm going to be blending out the gold and adding that redness back into the gold. I'm going to be taking a little bit more of Edgy once again, and then deepening up the outer corners of my eyes. Just going to be blending out literally everything, going over all of my eyes, going all over the lid, and just blending it out. You can be messy. We're going to be cleaning this up later. Now that I'm all done blending out my eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking a makeup wipe and I'm going to be cleaning up the sides of my eyeshadows. It's a little messy, I'm not going to lie, but I did say we were going to clean it up. I'm going to be putting on my fake eyelashes in 0.1 seconds. Yes, that is correct, in 0.1 seconds. You might be thinking, Zoe, how can you do that? Well, with the power of magic and the power of editing, I can do all things. Let the magic begin. I use the Dodo lashes in the style D207. Very easy to put on, and they are perfect for this eye look. today. I'm going to be using the NYX Cosmetics Always Keeping It Tight black eyeliner. I'm going to be tight lining my upper lash line and my lower lash line. Okay guys, that is it for the eyeshadow look. It's looking really good, nice and blended, looking very cute. I'm gonna breeze through my face makeup routine because it's always the same, nothing new here. Speed through that a bit and then put on lipstick. This look will be over. Pretty much done with the facial portion of this look. I just did my normal face routine. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair a little bit because it's kind of not looking the best right now, and then I'm gonna come back and do the lipstick and set my face. Alright guys, I'm back from fixing my hair. Looks a little bit better now. I changed into this top because it was getting really hot in that sweatshirt. So for setting spray today, I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is my favorite. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Tarte lip paint in the color Birthday Suit. Okay guys, that is it for this week's video and makeup look. I really love the way it turned out. This look is super simple. There's only 4 eyeshadows that I use. Four, not 8. 4 eyeshadows that I used for today's look, so it's pretty easy, pretty simple to get down, and it's great for if you're a beginner and you're just learning how to do cut creases. So if you guys like this makeup look, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social medias. My Instagram is always linked in the description box below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh my god, why me?